You're gonna love the 2018 Jeep Compass. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Compass gives you the latest safety technology, rugged capability, and upscale sophistication, all wrapped up in a compact, sporty SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, navigation system, keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, keyless start. It's the sophisticated beauty with bookish smarts. It's the Compass. Come in and drive it.